Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Look, I don't want pictures today. Leave me the F alone. This is probably the cones are here because another movie is coming. It's like constant.
Really?
You know the show Manifest right now that's on NBC? It's like the #1
Yeah.
typical show. They film always right on the street. It's actually kind of funny because it's actually a good show and I was watching.
Why do they film right here?
Because the view, like, and Silver Cup Studio is a few blocks away, which is the largest studio in New York for movies. Yeah. That's where like 90% of the movies are filmed.
Is that
Obvious
for
food.
chips for the Super Bowl?
Yeah, this is your dip.
You ready to eat? Are you ready for the Super Bowl? Yeah. How long has it been growing
4
now?
weeks, that's it.
4 weeks.
This is going on the 5th week.
That's insane.
Yeah, they sprouted quick. I was like, oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah, I was really happy. You start racing the plants.
What did you guys like taking bets on which one's gonna grow?
Yeah. I said dill.
Touchdown Patriots! Oh my
I need more Jen. Where's my Jen? I want to be as drunk
I'm gonna
as
need
Marco.
a lot of
Just
gin.
one day of my life.
After this game.
Yeah, right. Cheers.
Caught me by surprise, it was my good luck. Written were the words right as you looked up. Found was our escape. Memories to make. Faded love, I stop and stare. I'm yours to share. Faded love, I stop and stare. I'm yours to share. Promises to keep have been long undone. Your touch had disappeared like the morning fog. We could never take back the steps we made. Questions if the present was good enough. Fake it playing games with the both of us. You left me still wishing when the chance was given.